Dear students, welcome you all for the sixth session of marketing management of first chapter. In this session, we are going to discuss about meaning and definition of marketing management, objectives of marketing management, functions of marketing management, and marketing management process. The learning objective of this session is to learn about the marketing management process concepts. And the session outcome, the students are able to understand the concepts of marketing management. Before going to discuss about today's topic, I would like to give a brief recap of previous session. In the previous session, we have discussed about essentials of an effective marketing mix. These are define goal and set a budget, study target customer, identify unique selling proposition, understand competition, identify the unique features of product, create a pricing strategy, and choose distribution channels and promotional methods. Now, let us discuss about today's topic, the concept of marketing management. Marketing management is the analysis, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling all the activities relating to the marketing of goods and services to satisfy customers' wants and to maximize profits for the enterprise. Dear students, marketing management is the analysis, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling all the activities relating to the marketing of goods and services. Here, the analysis, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling are the functions of management. And marketing management applies these management functions in performance of marketing activities, such as in identification of needs and wants, in development of products, in pricing, promotion, distribution, etc. to satisfy customers' wants and to maximize profits for the enterprise. Dear students, when businesses applies management functions in performing marketing activities, businesses can achieve efficiency and effectiveness in their marketing activities, which in turn leads to maximum customer satisfaction and maximum profits for the enterprise. According to American Marketing Association, marketing management is the process of planning and executing the conception, pricing, promotion, and distribution of ideas, goods, and services to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organizational goals or objectives. Dear students, American Marketing Association says marketing management is the process. As per them, it is not a single activity. It involves chain of activities. These activities are planning and execution. Marketing management plan and execute the conception, that is an idea for a product, pricing, promotion, and distribution of ideas, goods, and services. In order to create exchanges, exchange means exchange of goods and services between producer and the consumer that satisfy individual needs as well as organizational objectives like profit maximization or sales maximization. Next, we are going to discuss about objectives of marketing management. Number 1, determination of customer needs. Dear students, success of any business organization depends on how effectively they satisfy their consumers' needs and wants. The task of determination of needs and wants of consumers is entrusted to marketing management. When marketing management determines needs and wants and analyzes those needs and wants. By doing this, marketing management helps businesses to develop products in accordance with the needs and wants of consumers, which in turn satisfy the consumers. Second objective, creation of demand. Marketing management helps businesses to create demand for their products through various means. For example, demand can be created by ascertaining the taste and preferences of consumers, so that business develops products in accordance with the taste and preferences of the consumers. When the products developed as per the taste and preferences of the consumers will automatically demand for such products. A demand can be created through advertising by informing the consumers the utility of the goods and services offered. Third objective of marketing management is customer satisfaction. Satisfaction of the customer's needs is one of the important objectives of marketing management. The needs of the customers can be best satisfied by studying the demands of the customers beforehand and producing and offering only those goods which satisfy the customer's demand. And next objective, generation of profits. Generation of sufficient profits for the business is another important objective of marketing management. Earning of profit is necessary for the growth and diversification of the business as well as survival of the firm in the market. Fifth objective of marketing management is contribution to national development. Marketing management contributes to large scale production by identifying needs and wants of the consumers, which in turn contributes to fuller and wiser utilization of national resources and increase in employment opportunities and economic growth. And it also leads to increase in income of the people and increase in demand for product and services. By this way, marketing management contributes to national development. The last objective of marketing management is rising standard of living of the people. By ensuring varieties of product and uninterrupted supply of goods and services, marketing management aims at rising the standard of living of the community. These are some of the important objectives of marketing management. Next, we are going to discuss about functions of marketing management. Dear students, marketing management performs number of functions for an organization. Now, let us see what are those. Number 1, assessing the marketing opportunities. Marketing management function starts with determination of marketing objectives and assessment of the marketing opportunities for the firm. In the constantly changing market conditions and opportunities, make it important for the marketing management to come out with planned programs to meet the challenges and reap the opportunities. So, for example, customers' taste and preferences. Customers' taste and preferences keep on changing, so that marketing management must identify changing needs and provide products in accordance with the changing needs. So, for example, 15 years back, future phones were in demand, but nowadays everybody wants to purchase smartphones only. Next, second function, planning the marketing activities. Planning is an important managerial function. Planning of marketing activities is a crucial task and involves numerous steps, like planning involves planning effective strategies to achieve the desired marketing objectives, and also concerned with formulation of policies relating to product, price, channels of distribution, promotional measures, forecast of target sales, so that planning provides the basis for an effective marketing for the enterprise. Next function of marketing management is organizing the marketing activities. Another significant function of marketing is organizing. Organizing means determination of various activities to be performed and assigning these activities to right person. so that marketing objectives are achieved. And the concept of marketing changes over a period of time. Like 50 years back, consumers purchases what producer produces. But nowadays, producer produces what customers want. So that it is necessary that the organization structure is flexible and accommodating. This will help in better interaction between organization and environment. And the fourth function of marketing management is coordinating different activities of enterprise. Dear students, even the best of planning will not be rewarding if there is improper coordination between different activities of the organization. Marketing involves various activities like product decisions, pricing strategies, channel structure, research activities, and all these activities are interrelated and interdependent and require proper coordination. Only then the objectives can be achieved. Next function of marketing management is directing and motivating the employees. Direction helps in rightful performance of the work. For that, we need leadership. Organizations practices different leadership styles to guide the subordinates, and a leader directs his subordinates and ensures through effective supervision that the performance is as per planned specifications. And at the same time, employees need proper motivation. Motivation not only helps in better performance by the employees but also holds them back to the organization for longer periods. Dear students, nowadays organizations are very serious as far as their motivation policies are concerned. New ways of motivation are being introduced in recent times so that employees gives their best of services. And the sixth function of marketing management is evaluating and controlling marketing efforts. Dear students, in order to have a profitable venture, marketing manager must on a continuous basis evaluate the marketing efforts. This will help him in knowing the deficiencies, if any, which can be corrected beforehand, and proper adjustments can be made with the changing environment. And controlling is a managerial function concerned with comparison of actual performance with the standard performance and locating the shortcomings, if any. Finally, corrective measures are taken to overcome the shortcomings. Next, we are going to discuss about marketing management process. Dear students, marketing management is the process of managing marketing plans, policies and programs, keeping in view the broad objectives of accomplishing the organizational objectives like profit maximization, sales maximization, etc., and meeting the society's expectations like meeting the needs of consumers. Professor Philip Kotler defines marketing management process as a process consisting of 5 steps. Number 1, analyzing marketing opportunities. Number 2, researching and selecting target markets. Number 3, designing marketing strategies. Number 4, planning marketing programs. And lastly, organizing, implementing and controlling marketing efforts. Now, let us discuss about marketing management process in detail. Number 1, analyzing marketing opportunities. Dear students, marketing management process starts with analysis of marketing opportunities in the light of company's strengths and weaknesses. The task may be to analyze long-term opportunities or short-term opportunities. And these steps helps companies to know the needs and wants of their customers, their locations, buying habits, social practices, and so on. Next step in marketing management process is researching and selecting target markets. Dear students, taste and preferences, likes and dislikes, needs and wants are different for each individual. And satisfying each individual is very difficult task for any organization. For that, marketers must select target markets. In order to select target markets, company needs to know how to measure attractiveness of any given market. This requires estimating the overall market size, growth, and profitability. And in modern marketing, marketers divide total market into major segments, where each segment of market have similar and homogeneous tastes and preferences, likes and dislikes, needs and wants. Then they need to evaluate them using certain criteria. And finally, select and target those market segments that the company can best serve. For that, company must know techniques for measuring market potential and forecasting future demand. And the third step in marketing management process is designing marketing strategies. Dear students, the marketing strategy spells out the game plan for attaining the business objectives. And marketing strategy defines the broad principles by which the business unit expects to achieve its marketing objectives in the target marketing. It consists of basic decisions on total marketing expenditure, marketing mix, and marketing locations. And the fourth step in marketing management process is planning marketing programs. Dear students, it is not enough to formulate only the broad strategies by which the business expects to achieve its marketing objectives, but it should also plan the supporting marketing mix programs, such as deciding product features, packaging, branding, services, etc. And the last step in marketing management process is organizing, implementing, and controlling marketing efforts. After designing marketing strategies and planning marketing programs, companies must direct its resources towards implementation of these marketing strategies and marketing programs. And finally, compare actual performance with standard performance, and if any shortcomings or discrepancies are found, corrective measures should be taken. These are the 5 steps of marketing management process. By this, we come to the end of this session. I hope you liked this session. Thank you for your patience listening.